Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're excited to showcase an amazing solution for homeowners looking to improve their garage's energy efficiency. Introducing the NasaTech White Reflective Foam Core 2-Car Garage Door Insulation Kit. This product is designed to transform your garage into a comfortable space year-round while significantly reducing energy costs. The NasaTech Insulation Kit is not just any ordinary insulation. It features a reflective foam core that creates an air pocket, achieving an impressive R value of 8.0. This means it effectively keeps your garage warm in the winter and cool in the summer, making it a versatile choice for any climate. And the best part? It's made right here in the USA. Each kit includes 4 rolls of insulation measuring 2 feet by 18 feet, which is perfect for standard double garage doors. You'll also find heavy-duty double-sided tape included, along with a razor and a squeegee for easy installation. With clear instructions provided, you'll be able to install this insulation in no time, even if you're a DIY novice. Installation is a breeze. Just peel off the liner of the tape, position the insulation on your garage door, and smooth it out with a squeegee. The waterproof and weatherproof design ensures that this insulation will last for years, even in the toughest conditions. Imagine the difference. Not only will your garage be more comfortable, but you'll also notice a decrease in your heating and cooling costs. Homeowners have reported saving money on their energy bills after installing this insulation kit. With the NasaTech White Reflective Foam Core Insulation, you're not just getting insulation, you're making a smart investment in your home. Plus, it meets all US and international fire codes, ensuring safety while you improve your space. This product not only enhances your garage's thermal efficiency but also adds value to your home. Whether you use your garage for parking, storage, or a workshop, this insulation kit is an essential upgrade. Remember, the NasaTech Insulation Kit comes with easy-to-follow installation instructions and 7-day customer support if you need assistance. With its R8 insulation value and durable design, it truly is a best-selling kit on Amazon. So, if you're looking to enhance your garage's comfort and efficiency, look no further than the NasaTech White Reflective Foam Core 2-Car Garage Door Insulation Kit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful reviews. Until next time, stay cozy.